What's up, everybody? I'm Brigitte Bidet, and I'm about to show you all the things that I slap on my face to get pretty. Our glitter journey is not over. So just to go even further, we're gonna take this glitter eyeliner, which is so much fun. This applicator is nice and slim, which gives us the opportunity for maximum precision. I'm gonna dip it in and take it where we put that white highlight. And now we're sparkling even more. People are just guided by our lights. Sorry, it's not the most sustainable thing to use glitter. I'm gonna go in with a MAC glitter, put a little on the tip of my finger, just like this, and press it over where we just put the glitter eyeliner and onto my eyeshadow itself, because why not just be a human disco ball? Like, obsessed. This glitter is super reflective. It competes with the Ben Nye, but it just gives you different things. It's a very finely milled glitter, so you're not gonna have big chunks awkwardly picking up light where you don't want them. You just have like a nice spray as if that was my actual brow bone and I'm just a dewy, beautiful, glistening goddess. You know what I mean? It's actually another optical illusion brought to you by Brigitte Bidet and this MAC glitter in iridescent white.